Come with me and see how I improve the experience of my client's existing website. Here's the whole workflow in steps. First, I go through Envato, looking for inspiration as well as actual assets I can use. There's pretty much anything you might need, from images and videos to 3D assets, fonts, filters, music, like the one you're hearing on the background of this video. All of these assets are safe to use however you want, including commercially. I specifically looked for 3D assets and textures, saved the ones I liked, and downloaded the ones I'll be using. My client has already provided me the design and brand assets that I have in Figma, so let's go back to Envato's AI toolkit, pick video generator, and use my client's provided design and the assets I got on Envato to generate brand-aligned product videos that I want to use for website's hero section. The result is pretty good, but clearly I can't just put it on a website like this. So I go to CapCut, remove backgrounds, layer the videos, add image, depth, and texture that I got on Envato. And mind me, this is the very human part AI can't deliver. Now to finish up, I bring the final video into Framer, update the hero section, and like so, I'm going through the whole website.